Good trade, dude. Sorry, dude. Hey. Yeah, thank you. I think you dry fired. I did not feel that hit. Sorry, I didn't mean to shoot you. Woo. I need to grab that? Hey! First of all, and unrelated to anything airsoft, big shout out to my girlfriend for coming in clutch with the frog shirt when I get back from Motor City. On the back of it, it's hilarious. It just says, I gotta piss. So I love that. But anyways, we are back from Motor City. It was a phenomenal time. I am all fucking lit up. Look at my arms. Look at this. Look at my shoulder. Okay? I got destroyed, to say the least. Let me stand up. Look at my hip. Look at my side here. Look at that. That's not a disease. I mean, it is. It's probably called I suck at airsoft or something like that. But anyways, I have a fuck ton of footage to go through. I have a lot of games that I played. I have 28 videos that I recorded on my GoPro. 27 of them were me. I let my buddy Isaac use my camera one round when I wasn't playing. So I don't know how I want to edit all these videos together. I don't know if I want to do it game by game or, you know, round by round or something like that. If I want to just make like a super collage. Because the thing is, at the time of this recording, in less than 2 weeks, we are going to be in Sheboygan. We're going to be playing the Asylum again, and then I'm going to have footage from that as well. So what I don't want to do is overpopulate my channel with footage from Motor City to the point where I'm not uploading content from Sheboygan for, you know, another 2 or 3 months, which is totally possible if I go by my normal, you know, upload schedule. So if I were to do that, let's say, so each game that we played had 2 rounds, but we would take a break in between rounds. So 28 videos could equivalent, I don't even know if that's a word, to 14 games, right? So that would be 7 weeks if I do 2 a week. That'd be 7 weeks. So that means I wouldn't be posting content from Sheboygan for fucking ever. But you know, I'm going to figure that out as we kind of go along. I could even do daily uploads for this kind of thing. I really don't know. But anyways, let's get into it.